That brown ring on your ceiling isn't just ugly. It could be a warning sign of something much more serious. Here's how to know what you're dealing with. A sagging or bulging ceiling is a safety emergency. Clear the room immediately. Wet drywall can collapse without warning and weigh 4 times its normal weight. Stop the water source first. Shut off the supply valve to the fixture above, or your main if you can't isolate it. That step comes before anything else. Early damage, a dry stain that hasn't returned, is usually cosmetic. A patch, stain-blocking primer, and fresh paint can fix it for a few $100s. But if the stain keeps coming back, smells musty, or the ceiling feels soft when pressed, you're past cosmetic territory. Mold can start growing within 24 to 48 hours. Use a moisture meter to confirm the ceiling is truly dry before patching. Drywall should read below 15%. Anything higher means replacement, not paint. If the drywall is soft, crumbling, or mold is visible, the panel must come out. Drying damaged drywall in place doesn't work. It has to be removed and replaced. Don't guess when your ceiling safety is on the line. Read the full guide at therestorationgroup.com or call the Restoration Group at 855-650